So this was all shoveled out last night. That was completely shoveled. That was completely shoveled at 11:30, and I think we have feet. We got at least 2 feet. There's the snow piled up over here. We've got a good almost foot still to shovel just to get to the gate. I had a snow drift up there of about, well, probably 3.5, 4 feet. No one's even been out here. God, this is on the tracks. Okay, this is the alley, and right now it's up to my knees. This is our alley. That's a snow drift of about 5 feet right there, and there's a good 3 feet in this alley all the way down. We're not getting out of here for days. I mean, I got an SUV and that thing's not coming through here. Somebody shoveled out down there. That is ridiculous. The street is the same. This is up to my almost my mid-thigh. Windows over there. I don't know where we're gonna put it all. I can't do anymore. I'm exhausted. So we're filming. Dug all this out. The street is just as bad. I mean, it's going to take days to get out. So now we're up front. Yeah, the alley is just as bad.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
What's that?
the alley is just as bad, if not worse, than the street. I mean, it could take days to. You can't dig it out. So here's the humongous snow pile. Here's they figure about 4-foot drift. Yeah. Yeah. God. And you know, typically the L tracks, it's a little less. I mean, I walk down underneath the L tracks and it comes up to my thighs. So. Oh, it was ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's been doing it all morning.
I know.
So now we'll walk out to the street. There's the street. Now I was out here earlier and I dug a place out. It's knee high out here. Here's the hole I dug to the street. And I'm standing actually, I think, on the street. So this is our street now. You couldn't drive, you need one of those big ass get her up trucks to get down this. There's some people walking up on the snow down there. Unbelievable. Yeah. And there's not going to be cars going anywhere anytime soon.
You know, we have like our off-site or kickoff meeting tomorrow, and they said it's still happening for work, but people are gonna have trouble.
Oh, there's no way.
Getting anywhere.
I mean,
I can walk. I'm close enough. I can just head over there. But if plows come through,
no.
I mean.
Well, in the alleys they never plow the alleys. And so maybe in the Lexus we might be able to get out by this weekend, but
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Unbelievable.
like a good Minnesota snowstorm.
Yeah.
Hi, come here, girl. Come here, Connie.
Go down that way, Pooch. Luckily, a good neighbor has volunteered his services to snow throw the entire sidewalk, at least on our side. We're gonna walk up here to Montrose, where I'm sure they've plowed. Well, maybe. And hope to see what a supposedly plowed street looks like. God, look at that. Look at the depth of that. That's like my waist. I don't know if I can even get that. It's waist deep snow. And it just keeps on snowing. And endless sirens. Now what's amazing is here, it's not that deep. I mean, the street it is, but like on the sides here, you know, that's shin deep. Well, I was wrong. Somebody tried to drive down there. God, there's more sirens. It's been going on all night. Oh my gosh. That's right at the end of the block. Alright, so here's Montrose. Knee-deep snow. They have plowed, except now it's, well, there you go. And the wind's blowing, you can't even see down there. So they have plowed, but they're continuing to plow. Sheridan, Broadway. And plows, oh, they're moving people out. So there's that's to turn down my street. And there's probably 3 or 4 feet. And the alley's just as bad. There's the entrance to the alley down there.